You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. In today's episode, we're talking transport options. How do you actually ship your motorcycle overseas? You've got two choices with SDC, air freight and ocean freight. Let's break them down. Air freight is the first class ticket of motorcycle shipping. It's fast, often taking just a few days. If you're shipping a high value, rare, or vintage bike, or you're on a tight timeline, air freight is a great option. Your bike is crated, securely loaded into an aircraft, and shipped to the nearest international airport at your destination, usually followed by custom clearance and local delivery. It's quick, clean, and efficient. But yes, it does come at a premium. Now, let's talk ocean freight. This is by far the most common option and the most cost-effective. Your motorcycle can be shipped via roll-on, roll-off, where it's driven into a specialized ship deck and driven off at the destination port. It's simple, but only available at select ports. Container shipping, either in a dedicated container or a shared space, often alongside your household goods. This method adds protection and flexibility. One of the smart ways SDC saves you money is through groupage shipping. This means combining your shipment with others headed to the same European port. This is perfect for single bike shipments on a budget. Whether you go by sea or sky, SDC handles the scheduling, crating, tracking, and paperwork. So the question is, what's more important to you, speed or saving? Let us help you choose what fits your timeline and budget best. Are you still unsure? Our relocation specialist will walk you through every step from quote to drop off. So for quotes, checklists, and more, visit our website or call 877-339-0267. Until next time, ride safe and ride smart.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.